Hey everybody, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. Doing some walking on glass. I want to show you a little trick I learned a while ago about how to get your glass really clean. What you want to do, right on your window, about a half an inch, 2 inches, whatever, doesn't matter. Just need to get to this little edge up here because that's where all the film builds up. It makes it look nasty. So you want to get rid of it. That's what you do. Let me show you. So here, what I have is a towel, FTW, by the rag company. Not sure what F stands for, usually fuck. In this case, I think it's for the windows. Anyway, use that along with some GC cleaner, a Coach Kimmy. Spray your cleaner directly into your towel. Couple of sprays ready to go. Come up here to this edge up here. Clean the film off. See, you get your towel and you put it all the way across both sides there, back and forth, sweeping motions. You could do it this way, you could do it any way you want to. I prefer back and forth many times. Reminds me of sex. And the results are just as good. Maybe not, but hey, who cares? Just got to get your windows looking good. So there you go. That's walking on glass. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Maybe doing a couple more of these videos. Great. See you later. Goodbye.